where he, see, your hair is too much tight. How many months you not comb your hair?
Oh my God, madam. I'm sorry, madam. I didn't comb my hair, madam. Because if I comb my hair is all pulling down.
It's not full, see?
Wow. Very nice, madam. Thank you so much. How much is your placement fee, madam?
See here, it's too tight like that.
Oh my goodness, I don't know really, madam. And thank you so much for your Christmas present to me. I really appreciate it. And I will not forget. Agay. Agoy. Aray ko.
Put oil.
Are you angry to me, madam?
No.
Why you sabunot my hair? You agoy.
Not finished?
Shino, you can finish this one. It's too tight.
Oh, because it's already how many years they comb their hair?
Not years.
Not
years? 2 years, 5 years.
2 years, 5 years, my goodness, that's
2 years, 5 years not combing my hair?
Ala? So, yan ang gagawin niya sa'yo pala? Hindi ka niya titirintasin?
Tirintasin niya 4 day.
Kasi, nahirapan, Luis is
Well, who have the big one, please? This one is...
Bakit? Hindi ka ba nagsusuklay?
Hindi. For almost 5 years.
Di na suklay man ko day, pero...
We just take shua for comb.
Nagpalagay ka ng mga mantika?
Oo, nilagyan niya.
Ano niya yan?
Nilagyan.
When you want to comb, put oil. Don't comb like that. When you finish taxi, when you comb, you put oil.
Luis, I told you I want like this.
Yeah, I told
Make
Luis
to my
also.
hair.
Who told you like this?
Luis said, hi.
Your hair is too soft. You will remove
Luis
that.
said, I will buy a hair extension, then she can make me.
Yeah.
How much hair extension?
Bumili na lang tayo. Yeah.
You don't need. You have
I like
hair.
the color
wait,
yellow,
sorry.
green, blue, red.
Mama,
Sure.
mama, sway, mama. Agoy. Mama.
Mapriso ka, agoy. Agoy, mapriso ka ron.
Next time, comb your hair when you finish taxi.
Kasi daw magsuklay ka naman daw kasi
Next time, magsuklay ka naman.
Opo. Ang
May 5
dami
years naman ko nung
Ang dami kong mama dito nagagalit sa akin kaya hindi
5
daw ako
years na ako
nasuklay.
na wala ka panudlay dahil ng Luis.
Okay, mama. Next time, mama.
magsuklay, okay?
Ikaw, ma, hindi mo ako pagalitan.
Hindi na.
Bakit, ma?
Ubus na.
Bakit na? Ito ba regalo niyo sa akin? Nag-expect akong regalo niyo, pero si Itim lang pala ang magregalo sa akin.
Uy, nagaya ka diyo.
Ha?
Kasi 5 years nang hindi nasuklay. Tingnan mo naman yung buhok.
Okay.
Kuha mo na yung suklay-suklay.
Ano, murag kabayo.
Nipis man unta, pero baling.
Di, kuan na rin. Sige, pugong may ipit ko dito dahil. Tapos,
Hindi ka na suklay.
tapos paghiga ko, yun.
Sabi siguro ni Itim.
Sabi ni Luis, 5 years nga daw. Hindi years, 5 years.
5 years.
5 years daw, hindi na suklay. Kaya ginoo ko.
5 years.
Tight.
Ganoon sa maning buka ni.
Ano naman initikig naman Daddy Luis? We're not moving, Luis. Why? The timer is moving, but... okay, now we're moving.
Don't you make video?
Yeah, live Luis.
Yeah.
The followers and you.
No.
This is video and then she will
video.
send.
I will post in TikTok.
Yeah, Luis
Yeah.
on TikTok.
Okay.
Grabe yes, buhok ni mo, te.
Wala lagi sugli-sugli Luis, 5 years.
Te, dapat imong sudlayon pag gumanin mo, pag medyo malan na.
Saan man na, suko ka? O saan man na?
Dali, pala na. Dali.
Huwag mo kaging,
Ano mag-videohan?
akong lula din hang nasaba na ako.
Kaya dapat, inyong mga buhok na
Pala
magkatangkas.
na.
See? Wow. Thank you, Luis. Have no time to fix my hair, you know?
No time.
Okay. Mama, Yuma. Mama.
Slowly.
Sway, mama. Okay. Ting.
Cannot be in my salon, eh? Nora, she's already...
Salong.
Hilak.
Nora, she's already accept me like that.
Oh my.
He back is very mama mia.
Mama mia. May salon. Mama mia.
See the back here.
Mercy.
Tight.
Mercy, my dear. You see that one? I have hair, but no combing. Day, Lunes pa mi balik lagi day dito may matugog ma day. Lunes pa mi sa hapon ri kabalik. Tatay magdana mo.
Di mo ko ulit balik ugma.
Di mi ka balik ugma. Unsa man ang atong plano? Karon na ninyo buhaton.
Iyo. Dapat unta ugma.
Mama, aroy.
Ugma unta nang. Dapat ikakabalo sa punong kuan pa ka namo nga karon.
Karon pa man desisyon sa nanay day. So magawa natin day. Kung alam lang kanina na nagsabi, di
Diba ang laki ng mga mukha natin diyan, te?
mo lagi
Kaya nga,
mo
parang
sila.
sabihin ng mga ano, ang taba-taba ko na.
Mo lagi mo sila tambok kuno kay. Mama, okay mama?
Mm-hmm.
No angry mama. Oh, like ni mama.
This one is too tied down in the back.
Okay mama. Thank you mama.
Now, next month again, Luis.
Okay, next
The
month.
of the hair.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Monthly.
Tomorrow is our day off. So
She should to pray next month is December.
Next
December.
December? next year, December.
Next December ko my hair. Ay, gino kabuutan. Bali, aning bata, ano? Yan, sige, yung taon na ito, nilibakon siya. Luya po din taon. O, na, luya kik na.
Ano siya?
Na, ano,
Mayroon magugay na siya buhok. May gana siya pa.
Do you have salon in your place? Are you working in salon?
Me?
Sa lumpas.
My sister have salon. Me, I work in there sometime.
Ah, really? Wow.
But me first, I know.
In your country, how much the 1 KD here? How much in your money?
She's 11 to.
11.2. 11.2.
She's it's low. It's not too.
The rate, how much? The 1 KD here.
That one I say 1 kg is 2 kg there.
Ah, times 2. It's doubled.
Yeah.
Wow, big money this sila,
She
no?
is 11. She's small. It's
Oh.
not times 2.
1 KD here become 2 KD in your country.
Yeah, like
It's a
this.
big money.
But she's because the change is coming is up. That one is
But in
coming.
Philippines, it's going down.
Yeah.
How going down? She's
Yeah, it's going down.
Yeah, the rates is going down.
everywhere. It's mean everywhere. Also in my country.
Everywhere it's going down.
Luis, also.
Yeah. She's going down there. All
It's
all
because-
money. That one always I send before.
Wala na day, wala na
Christmas.
day. Straight na tanan. Iyang ikulot lagi apat no, Luis, you can sa 4, only 4. 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How far away?
Wala gyud tay magkulot-kuluti.
Na lagi na, bawa lagi siya. Ulutan lagi ko niya. Na tanaw, pas-pas kayo.
Napisa lang buhok sa.
Oh, nipis kayo pero nakalugay siya baga kay siya tanaw. Nya imo kung ilokot pud dako pud siya daw pero imo ikapon dai. Nipis kay siya dai. Thank you so much, Mama, for your birthday present of Mary. It's birthday present and Christmas present. Okay, Yuma. Seryoso ha, pud ani ang atong kuan ay salon ay. Hadlok puta anon.
In my salon, somebody not say Aish. If you don't want to
Hindi,
say
dagan akong buhok,
ouch,
ting.
do in the
Ah,
house.
nahurot na akong buhok day.
Magagas sa bed.
Ano ba? First time na.
If somebody don't want to me, ouch. Don't come in my salon.
You see out, don't come in salon. My goodness, just like that in eyes, but no voice. Huh?
Yes.
Like that, Luis.
You close your
Baka kanina pa yan, be.
No sounds. No outs. Just the eyes and the mouth.
Hanap siya ng ano niya
If you
kanina,
make the
kanina.
song, Kalas, it's not
Go.
your too.
You go. Kalas.
You not see that salon the for the man in TikTok, TikTok, Facebook. I don't know exactly where, but I see that one. I think it's TikTok.
TikTok.
Make it.
Mm.
She make it the hair for the boy,
Mm.
and then she make massage. Massage
Mm.
is like that. The one she sit down there. she
Exciting.
sit- The another she's waiting for her too. She sit like the honor with.
No, kalas. Kalas, Mayabi.
I cannot. She go follow them in the door. She said, where you go? You will sit here and wait.
Where you go? Come here. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to punch you.
She said, if you finish, I finish that.
The man is very scared.
Sige.
Agoy, ginoo ko.
Antay natin si nanay doon.
Halika na ko, anong oras matapos yan? Gising pa oras 4 siya.
Abe, mga aga day. Alas 5 nga.
Kung gigisingin si Pato, yun.
Oh.
Siyempre, mag-aasikaso pa ang sarili ko. CCR pa ako, magtutuplas pa ako. Ha?
Ay, wag ka na muna mag-ano. Si Kaso. Dito ka doon nakapantulog.
Walang pera. Puro 5 to, hindi siya yung ano eh.
Ayun, ano, inga?
Hindi siya yung kakabin.
It's okay. Only one, Luis, if you can.
Pati ito power bank local.
Only one?
Yeah.
Sa akin.
Only one.
Promise.
From here, one only. From here until there.
Kaya nga, wag mo.
Magdalawa na lang kayo natin Mary sa Incax.
Ay, di, mag-order din kami ni ano, Risa.
Magkano, day?
Wala, ano, local.
Local yan. Hindi malaka.
Doon lang kay Sarah, kay Tunay.
Baka sumabog pa yung power bank na yan.
You know what I
Ay,
say? You
power
need
bank yan. May
Shabasa
ganito
for
kami ni
you.
Risa.
I don't have subasa, my dear.
Who have Shabasa in her pocket?
May ipit kayo?
In our other
Dapat meron kang
uniform,
ano,
Luis,
yung
we have a lot.
Uniform? I check my now.
matagal pa to. Matagal pa kayo kung sasaladuhan na si ano.
Oh, Luis, bakit mo sa
Luis,
Have there, but
Luis, faster, baby, the door will close.
Mamuli will go sleep now, see?
No, mama muna. Wait close. I mean,
No,
baba.
Amodi is sleeping in Duadia.
Hindi,
Only
si ano, si mama manan.
I will hold.
Yeah, I'm scared. Mama Manal will
Close the door.
close the door.
See?
Mm.
Mama Menan, maybe she will close the door.
Only one, it's okay. We will make one.
You need Shabasa.